Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Knox Heights, and we're taking a look at their fitness center. This is what the fitness center looks like. Okay, so let me describe it a little bit. So first of all, you do have a lot of treadmills and ellipticals over here. It looks like you've got several ellipticals, you got 2 treadmills, and then you've got a spin bike that's over here, and another spin bike, the Peloton. You do also have a free weight section. So the free weight section is here. Looks like you have some kettlebells and things like that. You also have machine weights that are over here and machine aided kind of weights. You do have dumbbells that are over here, the dumbbells, and then you also have a Smith machine that's over here too. So you've got a pretty good set of free weights and then aerobic kind of machines as well. So good sized gym. I like what I'm seeing as far as the gym. It's great. So I think you're going to be able to get a pretty good workout here. I'm also looking at this middle thing. This is pretty big. You can do a press, you can do a high pull, a lot of arm and leg stuff on this this middle thing here too. Even a rowing machine. So that's pretty cool. So that's the fitness center here at the Knox Heights. If you have questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below.